Alright, what is going on YouTube? Today we have a brand new video coming with the Spigen Thin Fit Case for the Pixel 8. So I picked this up in the same colorway that we have the Pixel 8 in, the rose color. So without any further ado, let's see what Spigen has for us in store today. So that we have a little nice Spigen usual pull tab right over here. I do also appreciate the branding that they have made for Google Pixel, which looks pretty nice. Anyways, it is made of 90% recycled paper, which is nice to see, supporting the environment. And right in here we have the case itself. Pretty simple packaging, Spigen usual. And right when we pull it out, there is the case. I do love the Spigen branding. I'm not a big fan of branding on accessories, but it's Spigen, it looks pretty good. It does match the phone pretty nicely. It's like a dark light tone, which is nice. And then right over here we have some more Spigen branding sticker, which we could obviously take out. So let's see right over here. Pump in the Pixel 8, and there you go. That is the Thin Fit Case for Pixel 8. Now, right at first glance, I do realize that the camera cutout right here is not quite centered. So I'm not quite sure if that's just a one-time thing with the case, or if that's just a manufacturing defect for all of these products. The flash and microphone cutout is looking pretty good. Now in the light you could see that it is really a darker, lighter tone of beige on rose. And the camera, as you can hear, or the volume rockers, pretty tactile. And then on the left side of the case we have absolutely nothing. On the bottom, charging port and microphone speaker grade cutouts right over there. Same thing with the microphone up here on the top. So my first impressions with this case, it does feel pretty good in the hands. Unlike the clear MagSafe case I have here from Apple, the 15 Pro, obviously you won't get many fingerprints on this ultra thin because it is some type of silicone. It is pretty grippy, but I do feel like it'll be easier to pull in and out of your pockets, which is pretty nice, because I do tend to notice that silicone cases are kind of harder to pull in and out of your pockets, but this one feels pretty smooth and yet you still have a little bit of grip. So I do think that it would work pretty good for maneuverability in and out of your pockets. We do also have another speaker cutout right over here, as you can see. And the screen protection, we have a little lip, which is good, so you don't necessarily need a screen protector, especially with the Corning Gorilla Glass that they put on. And then on the back of the camera, of the phone I should say, you do also have that camera protection. So you don't need a camera lens protector, which will also ruin your beautiful shots on this great camera. So that is kind of my unboxing and first impressions of the the Thin Fit, I should say, Google Pixel 8 case from Spigen. I have also purchased a bunch of other cases on Amazon, so we're going to be reviewing and comparing them in the coming days. But I just got the Google Pixel 8. I wanted to drop a quick little video for you guys from one of these cases that is cheap on Amazon, but that is also high quality. I do feel like it will be a oil and smudge magnet though, if you're using it with oily hands. And I'm not quite sure how it'll hold up, because the corners do seem kind of not the best for drop protection. I feel like the silicone will easily peel off. But there's only one way to find out. We are going to be testing out this case for the next few days and dropping a full review. So if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, first impression ramble of the Thin Fit Case, I don't know why I want to keep calling it the Ultra Thin Fit, but this is the Thin Fit Case by Spigen for the Pixel 8. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts. Subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already, because it helps the algorithm. And check us out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, and Threads if you haven't already, all at Techrific it is. Anyways, that is it from Techrific Alex. See you guys in the next one.